Okay, hello to your texturing tutorial. So this one is for Roblox. I'm going to show you how to get an object from Blender, texture it, and bring it into Roblox to see something like this, except not have a face problem such as this. So I'll go ahead and start. So you're probably doing something more complicated, such as a gun, and you want to have this texture on it, which this video will show you, just with a weird looking ball. So you go to, bring this thing out, go to UV image editor, go here, tab. This all has to be one object per image. So say you got the gun, this has to be one object for this whole texture. And since Roblox's limit is 10,000 polygons, make sure it's less before you waste all your time texturing. So go ahead, do Smart UV project. So basically, you just go into your model, select A to select all your vertices, press U, Smart UV project, okay, and here you go. So if you have something like this, save your image, open it up, but I do not. So I'm going to just do this, and I'm just going to color it accordingly as I wish. I'm going to have 4 colors, which will be gray, white, red, and blue, and green. Actually, screw red. I'm just going to do blue and green. So this will be gray, blue, white, green. So if you have something like this, all you have to do, upload the image and just move your things around accordingly. So you can just go back here, select which faces you want to move. So say you got this gun and you want like this side to be right here. You just select the faces that are on this side and move them to this area. Yes. So you get these selected, press A, small, move them around, whatever. And then, yeah. And also if you go to right here, click on texture, you can see the texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint my area for people that don't really have an image. You click T, by the way. So you make your gray area blue. It's supposed to be white. Okay, so I got my colors done, and now I just move the pieces accordingly. So I go back to view, and I'm gonna bring all these back to my main color, which is gray. And then I'm gonna only move the pieces that I want to turn blue, green, and white. So this is kind of like a soccer ball, I guess. I don't know. So I want this to be green. Select whatever faces you want in any way you want. Bring them around. Do whatever you wish. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now we got this thing textured. Looks a little funky. You can also like just do C, select multiple faces, just bring them over wherever you want. Boom. There you go. You got your texture done. You're ready to export to Roblox. So save your image. Document all. Export, and then we'll upload it. Finish part. Properties. Here's our ball. And it may or may not come with a texture already. Fuck my voice. And so you may have to add the image. Now, if you do add the image through texture ID through the game, then just know it's only going to work for the game. So you have to upload it as a decal if you want this ball to be inside multiple games. So just upload it, and then you got your texture. There you go. That's how you texture. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yes. If you really want something like this, well, I don't really know how to, unwrap it perfectly to where everything is with each other. So maybe you can go watch a tutorial on how to unwrap easier. Actually, I think maybe I can teach you, because I know one little method. Just go on to the bottom where you don't want stuff. Select the lines, select a few lines like this. I don't know how to explain it. And click on wrap. Wait, no, wait. No, you do Control E, mark seam. Now you unwrap. And whoa! Now it's all in one little thing. What? Fuck. So this is how I did rocks. I made a rock image, and then I unwrapped like this so that it's all damn right good. And then I guess I kind of just like took these, did S, make them smaller, so that kind of fits in better. And then boom, look at that. It goes with each other. Yeah. Okay. That's that's the extent of what I know on how to do that. So that's all I can teach you. That's all I know. So goodbye.